Kubanga agenze ne yeewandiisa ne bamuwa kali ka backup letter waddembe ogenda ku kibiina ku kitebe waddembe okugenda mu baregistra bonna okwetoloola eggwanga Uganda ne yeewandiisa bagenda muteeka mu kitabo ekiraga mbu memba wa NUP. N'olwekyo buli munnayuganda waddembe okwewandiisa kyekigenda okuba nga kitumusaba ng'alina byonna ebyo ndagamuntu n'ebirala byonna tujja kuba tumuwandiisa. Kaadi eno munnaffe gye tutunda nkugambye bulungi nnyo zaaweddewo 15 ze baatwadde okuva ku kitebe naye badde bankubira bakubira baregistra bakubira omubaka bakansala bonna babukubira. Lwaki abantu bayayanira kaadi? Olabye bulungi saawa zino fiizi ali waggulu, olabye emisolo bannayuganda abasuubuzi baleese ogwa ifris naye ng'emisolo mingi abantu baagala okwenyigira mu nteekateeka yonna ey'okugavaninga eggwanga lyabwe. So abantu abayayanira batugamba baagala bateekinga charge mu bukulembeze obwa Uganda. N'olwekyo ntuukiriza omulanga gwa His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi Ssentamu President omulonde, ffenna twenyigire mu buvunaanyizibwa obw'okukyusa eggwanga lyaffe Uganda.
I happen to be the area councillor taking the head of Kansanga This commemoration or the official launch of mobilization from Makinde East, it's all about encouraging Ugandans, it's all about encouraging the young society that it's good to take and be in charge of the governance of their society. So we have been in conjunction with other leaders, the Tonga Society of Fraternity, all leaders from the area, MP, the road councillors, and councillors from the LOC levels, such that we rally all Ugandans and we remind them their mandate, their obligation to take and be in charge of the governance of the society and the country of Uganda. NUP is a transparent party in all its activities and policies. So people are yearning first of all for change, because this card is a signal to many factors, a signal to many Ugandans that are living right in different directions or different angles. So this card is a signal to all, to everyone that is yearning for change. What we mean by change, we are looking at hospitals that are not functioning. If you visit at Children's Hospital, it is a structure, but there are no medical facilities like maybe medicine, the gloves. People are just, they have gone there for sickness, but they end up getting or being infected with other infections. If you look at the Kansanga Primary School, if you go there, the asbestos roofing we are talking of that was being discouraged from the Ministry of Health, that is no longer being usable by residents. But we are talking about the dysfunction system. If you look at the ongoing process, you have seen the price, you have been the challenge that is being encountered with them. So if we are telling the Ugandans that we have NUP cards, it is a signal to all Ugandans that a party that has been in charge for just 4 years, indeed can take over Uganda, and all Ugandans are looking at NUP as an alternative, as an option party that is going to take in charge and is going to bring change to all structures and the governance of Uganda.